Understanding combine longevity in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, combine longevity. This phrase might seem a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. So, let's dive in and explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Before we understand the phrase as a whole, let's look at the individual words. Combine is a verb that means to bring two or more things together to form a single entity. For example, we can combine flour and water to make dough. Longevity is a noun that refers to a long duration of life or existence. For example, the longevity of this tree is amazing. It's over 500 years old. By understanding these words separately, we can start to grasp what they might mean when used together. Now, let's put the words together. Combine longevity isn't a standard phrase in English, so it might be used in specific contexts. It could mean 1. Extending the duration of something. This could imply making something last longer by combining methods or elements. For example, by combining these chemicals, we can enhance the longevity of the product. 2. Merging long-lasting elements. It might also refer to combining things that have long lifespans. For example, this project combines longevity in both design and materials. Understanding a phrase also involves seeing how it's used in sentences. Let's look at a couple of examples. 1. In a business meeting, our goal is to combine longevity and innovation in our new product line. 2. In a health context, combining exercise and a balanced diet promotes longevity in life. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile and applicable in different scenarios. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, combine longevity, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, understanding and using new phrases is a great way to enhance your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to experiment with new phrases in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.